Hi everyone, Sydney here. If you're new, hi, I'm Sydney. If you're not, welcome back. Today, we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial, but not just any makeup tutorial. We're gonna be using the Face Palette 3-in-1 by Farmasi. Farmasi is a European makeup brand, which means they follow strict regulations that exclude many harmful chemicals from their products. Today, I'm just using a few products from Farmasi, but they have a wide range of products from anywhere between skincare, hair care, and makeup. Please make sure you leave a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. So first we're going to start with the Farmasi BB cream. I do not like foundation, and it's probably from all my years of dance. I just don't like foundation on my face. But we can see I have some lovely little acne this week. You gotta love it, right? So we're just gonna cut a little slit and get some on my finger. And I'm just gonna put it right here, right on my acne scars. A nice BB cream is perfect for like a sheer foundation look. I prefer to use this if I'm using foundation. So we're just gonna put that on my face and now we're gonna blend it in. I'm using a brush because brushes are easier to wash. If you're using a beauty blender, they're sometimes harder to clean and can be unsanitary, especially if you don't typically wash it very often. We're gonna ignore how messy the mirror is. I'm sorry, I touched it. It's fine. So we have our blush, our highlighter, and our bronzer. We're gonna start with our eyes because I hate doing my face and then messing up on my eyes and then having to wipe it off and then I have like a sheer mark. It's not fun. So we're gonna start with this beautiful blush color. We're gonna go into the crease of our eye and we're just gonna blend back and forth and build up pigment. Less is more, so if you start with a little bit, you can always blend and add more. You can always add color. So we're just gonna do that to both eyes. So easy, I can do it with my eyes closed. Next, we're gonna take a, well, let me use that brush. I'm gonna use this brush. Next, we're gonna take this slanted fluffy brush and we're gonna go in with the bronzer and we're just gonna go on the crease and then onto the lid. So we're only going to do the outside corner of our crease and then go onto our lid so it looks like this. Sometimes when you lift your eyebrows, you see like a white spot. You just go back in. Now here's the fun part. You're going to take a clean fluffy brush and you're just going to, see it's still clean, and you're just going to blend the two together. And of course, we're gonna add some glitter. Don't worry, I got you. But first, we're gonna take the bronzer and like a thinner brush. We're gonna do like an under eye. We're gonna go to the center of our pupil. So, go on this side. Match it up so you see where your pupil is. And line it up. Like that. Next, you're going to wipe off the excess and you're going to go into this beautiful highlighter color. You want to go right in the crease. So you're going to have two different colors. You have the brown and then the highlighter. You're going to go up. Less is more. We all love a beautiful eye, but sometimes you just need a minimalist look. So now you're gonna take that clean fluffy brush again and you're just gonna blend. So now that my eyes are done, we're gonna go in with the Farmasi Zen mascara. It's the extension lash mascara. And then go up. I always start with the top layer, this top eyeshadow look, the top eyelash look, and then for the corners I go out, and then for the bottom obviously I go down. So this is what it looks like with the mascara, and this is what my eyelashes look without the mascara. You give them so much volume. So you're gonna go up, and then out. So up and then out. It's because it's on my nose. See, this is why I always do my eyes first. I think so. Oh, I made it worse. Right. There we go. It's fine. You just take a tissue and wipe it off. So this is my eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit of more of the highlighter color. Next, we're gonna take a big blush brush. We're gonna go back in with the blush. And here's a tip with the blush. Feel your cheekbone. So I smile, and I can feel the top of my cheekbone, which is right here, and the bottom. Think of Neapolitan ice cream. You're gonna have your vanilla, your strawberry, and your chocolate. So obviously we're gonna start with the strawberry first, because it's the center. Here's my cheekbone. If you want a tip, you can hold your finger and you just go. I bring it to the apple of my cheek, and then I blend down. Always start with less, and you can always add more. I go for like a little bit of a natural face, and then I go with the sunburnt look, like, because I love the beach. So again, you're gonna do it on this side. Feel the bottom of your cheekbone, and you're just gonna do. My face looks like that, and you're just gonna. And of course, I just add a little to my nose so that it all connects. Next, I take an angled brush, and we're gonna go in with the bronzer. Now you feel where the bottom of your cheekbone was. You're gonna go here. So here's the bottom of my cheekbone. And we're gonna take the bronzer and bring it in. And you just blend it in. Sometimes blending with your fingers helps it melt into your face better. And the same for this side. And I always blend down. Next, we're gonna add the highlighter. I'm gonna go in with the same brush. Ooh. But if you have a different brush, you can always use it. But I'm just gonna go in with the same because I wiped off the excess. Now, gotta add your vanilla ice cream. So feel the top of your cheekbone, and you're gonna go up. Look at that highlight. You're gonna go for this side too. Make sure you feel the top of your cheekbone and follow the line. And I add a little bit to the tip of my nose. And then I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush. I'm gonna add it to the cupid's bow of my lip. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it with your lipstick. This is a basic sheer lipstick. There's no pigment to it. Whatever. You can just use basic chapstick. Isn't it weird how one product can do all of this? I'm going to put the link in the bio for Farmaci's website. Go check it out because I love it and I'm sure you'll love it. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Love you guys!